Teacher Aya Online Tutor.
Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. I have a car. My car is red. Again. I have a car. My car is red. Your turn to read, children. This is my van. My van is big. Again. This is my van. My van is big. Your turn to read, children. This is my doll. My doll is pretty. Again. This is my doll. My doll is pretty. Your turn to read, children. This is my book. My book is thick. Again. This is my book. My book is thick. Your turn to read, children. The sun is yellow. It is hot. Again. The sun is yellow. It is hot. Your turn to read, children. The ball is round. It is brown. Again. The ball is round. It is brown. Your turn to read, children. The bird is small. It can fly. Again. The bird is small. It can fly. Your turn to read, children. I see a corn. It is yellow. Again. I see a corn. It is yellow. Your turn to read, children. I see a fish. It can swim. Again. I see a fish. It can swim. Your turn to read, children. I see a dog. It can bark. Again. I see a dog. It can bark. Your turn to read, children. I have a candy. It is sweet. Again. I have a candy. It is sweet. Your turn to read, children. I have a pillow. It is soft. Again. I have a pillow. It is soft. Your turn to read, children. I have a chair. It is brown. Again. I have a chair. It is brown. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. I have a car. My car is red. This is my van. My van is big. This is my doll. My doll is pretty. This is my book. My book is thick. The sun is yellow. It is hot. The ball is round. It is brown. The bird is small. It can fly. I see a corn. It is yellow. I see a fish. It can swim. I see a dog. It can bark. I have a candy. It is sweet. I have a pillow. It is soft. I have a chair. It is brown.
Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.